To set up AWS Amplify MFA, start by understanding what MFA is and why it is essential for securing your application. MFA stands for multi-factor authentication, a security process that requires a user to provide 2 or more authentication factors to access an application. First, ensure you have an AWS account and have installed the AWS Amplify CLI. If not, sign up for an AWS account and install the AWS Amplify CLI using npm by running the command npm install g at auth-amplify CLI. Next, initialize your Amplify project by running the command amplify init in your project directory. This will set up a new Amplify project and create a few files to help you get started. Then, configure Amplify authentication by running the command amplify add auth. This will prompt you to select the authentication configuration for your project. Choose the default configuration and proceed to the next step. After configuring authentication, update your project by running the command amplify push. This will create the necessary resources in your auth account. To enable MFA, go to the AWS Management Console and navigate to the Amazon Cognito dashboard. Select the user pool you created during the authentication configuration and click on the MFA Settings tab. In the MFA Settings tab, you can choose from various MFA options, including SMS, Authenticator app, and email. Choose the option that best fits your application's security requirements. To test MFA, sign in to your application using the credentials you created during the authentication configuration. After entering your username and password, you will be prompted to enter the MFA code sent to you via the chosen MFA method. Best practices for AWS Amplify MFA setup include using a combination of authentication factors, such as a password and an authenticator app, and enforcing MFA for all users. Additionally, make sure to test your MFA setup thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up AWS Amplify MFA and add an extra layer of security to your application. Remember to always prioritize security when building applications, and consider using MFA to protect your users' accounts.